Hello everyone. Do you want to speak English fluently? In this video, we will practice speaking in English together. Repeat after me slowly. Don't worry about mistake. Let's get started. So everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Shamal. Today, we will do practice English together. This sentence will be so easy. If you practice every day this type of sentence, you will be improve yourself day by day. So, repeat after me. What I will say, you will repeat after me. Like that, slowly. Okay, let's get started. Say, I wake up in the morning. Repeat after me. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. Your turn. I brush my teeth. If you repeat, that will be exercise for you. I will request to you, repeat after me. Okay, let's get started. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I go to school. I go to school. I study every day. I study every day. Okay, now say like that. My name is Shemal. You can say your name. My name is. I am a student. I am a student. I live in Bangladesh. I live in Bangladesh. I like reading books. I like reading books. Taking about habit. I like listen to music. I like watching to music. I like drawing and writing. I like learning new things. So this type of sentence you can repeat more and more with yourself. When you will single, when you will walking a road, when you are feel alone or you are stay alone, that time you can say this sentence. So everybody, if we practice this simple sentence by our tongue, mouth, our mouth will be exercised. Okay, this type of sentence we have to repeat more and more. Then after that, we can say something easily. Okay, so who are the beginner, they can practice like that. Who are zero level, they can start like that. Okay, so when you will be say something in English, one or two sentence in English, then there are another method. Okay, but first time who are zero level, they can like that practicing. So everybody who are beginners, who are zero level, they can practice like that. So everybody, thank you so much watching me. See you in another video. Still then, take care of yourself. Bye.